wrestling an alligator in there.
Look who's here, buddy. Look who's here.
Hey, Beck. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You chilling like a villain? Are you gonna show me? All right, let's see. What you got?
Almost. There it is. There it is. Keep going, buddy.
There it is.
Get that arm out. You can do it. Yay! Get that arm out of there.
Like I can't get any traction on this tarp. Hey, duck.
Come on, buddy. You can do it. You did it a minute ago. There you go. You got it. You got it. You look like you're armless.
What? Pull that arm out. All right. Rest, get some energy. You're a mess, buddy. Dirt in your mouth. Come on, buddy, get it out. He's at a disadvantage right now. He can't get traction.
All right. We'll give it to you. Here. Mommy will help you. How's that? Nay! Good boy! Yay! How you feel about that? Are you proud of yourself? Hey, I rolled over. Yay!